Welcome to the snowstorm. It was damn really severe snowstorm we had last night in Iowa. And also it's gonna be snowstorm like in coming days too. I had bread and jam because I wasn't able to get anything from the outside because of it was the snowstorm. And I thought let's go out there and make a snowman. So I called my friends that let's come and let's make a snowman. And they said, oh okay. So I'm getting ready to go out in this severe snow. हमसे बिल्कुल भी चला नहीं जा रहा था, इतनी ज़्यादा बर्फ थी, मगर मेरी मस्तियाँ ही नहीं ख़त्म हो रही थी, मुझे तो मस्ती करनी थी और इतनी ज़्यादा बाहर ठंडी थी, मैं आप लोगों को क्या बताऊँ. मगर ये था कि I was really damn excited to make a snowman and everything, like snow fight करना दोस्तों के साथ ही बहुत ही ज़्यादा excited. तो इस excitement में देखें मेरी enthusiasm check करें कि मैं कैसे जा रही हूँ. इतनी घुटनों तक के बर्फ थी और ये मेरी friend को हम मस्ती करें. मुझे पता है ये snowman कम और Cinderella ज़्यादा लग रही. But it took us 1 hour to make this snow Cinderella in this heavy snow. Our enthusiasm is really appreciable here. Look at me, I'm like full of snow. Then we played Ludo, and then we were going to watch a movie at a friend's house, and my earbud fell there in the heavy snow. Then I started looking at with all these people, but I couldn't find it. See the heavy snow. मगर खाना देख के ना मैं अपने सारे गम भूल जाती हूँ यार. This movie was really good. It reminded me all my parents' effort and all the efforts I made to apply for a student visa for the US. Watching this movie got back me all those memories.